Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start your dropshipping business. We're going to look at this from a perspective of someone who has never started a dropshipping business, and I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the strategy and methodology that you tend to have and where to find the right products to put onto your Shopify account and start dropshipping immediately. Now, obviously, there is so many different platforms available, but I personally feel Shopify is one of the best platforms to use to start your dropshipping business. Now, there's a lot of factors and elements that you need to understand, so I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty because we've already made a lot of videos which are available on our channel, so you can always head over there and check them out. And obviously, we've done a detailed video on how to set up a Shopify account, so you can always go there and check that out. Now, the main thing over here that you need to understand is that Shopify is a global commerce platform where you can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And with a representation of 170 countries and a total US e-commerce of 10% and a global economic activity of $444 billion, this is indeed one of the biggest platforms in the world at this moment in time. And one of the best things that I absolutely love about it is that it's got the best converting checkout on the planet that backs your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that is built to convert, and a flexible point of sale to power your retail store, and a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. From the first touch to the full funnel, you can reach new leads and find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and build email campaigns and set automation to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with regards to integrated messaging tools, and take control of your customer data. Because remember, guys, at the end of the day, we are living in the internet age where data is everything. The more data that you have, the better strategy and marketing methodology that you can develop, and the better you can scale your business. And obviously, this is one of the cornerstone elements that you need to focus on to build a successful dropshipping business. And with Shopify, you also get an ability to manage your inventory and track your payments and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. So get your products where they will need to be with the integrated inventory management and streamlined returns and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network, and manage your business and finances all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, obviously, guys, once you have started your Shopify account, you can easily put a lot of elements that are available to sell. But one of the major things that you need to keep in mind is you got to do your research, and it's for that reason you need to head over to ebay.com. Now, ebay.com is a very interesting platform because hundreds and thousands of customers come daily onto it. So it gives us a chance to understand what kind of products are available and what kind of niches that you need to get into, because at the end of the day, you got to make sure that you select a niche that is evergreen, a niche that breaks through the limitation of age, gender, location, and one that can be sold at any time and anywhere in the world. And that is the reason why I always mention to check out the categories that are available on eBay, from electronics to motors to fashion to collectibles and art, sports and health and beauty, industrial equipment, and home and garden. So once you go over all of these elements available, you can always click on each one of them, and it's going to open in the next video. Now, my personal preference and my recommendation to anyone that is starting off new in this industry is to go with electronics. Now, obviously, guys, electronic is a massive category to get into and sometimes very expensive, and it's for that reason I always mention to everyone to always make sure that they actually enter into a niche and a subcategory that is relatively cheaper to get into, but it breaks through the limitations, and they select a product that will definitely sell and never go bad. Now, there's two options to go for, guys. You can go for the cell phone, smartwatches, and accessories, or the portable headphones and audios. Now, I always go for the accessories, and the reason for this is the entry point to this subcategory is relatively less. Now, once you enter this subcategory, you have two ways that you can actually go towards. You can go for the cell phone cases, covers, and skins, or you can go for the cell phone cables and adapters. Now, the thing over here that I always feel needs to be crucially mentioned is the fact that you need to understand and research every single one of these elements before you select which one you want to go for. I always recommend individuals to check out the cell phones, covers, and skins. Once you you click on it, what's going to happen is that you'll be able to see all the different phones and covers that are available. Now you can clearly see the price range of entry is relatively low, but obviously the profit margin is going to be considerably high. How do you find that out? You're going to check out till the end of this video to find out, because I'm going to talk about it in great detail. But right now I want you to focus on how much these phone cases are selling for: $4 to $3 to $8 to $6. But the phones are available and they're being sold. And the thing over here that you got to make sure is that you understand what kind of profit margin this particular niche tends to have. And it's for that reason, scroll right up and go to My eBay. If you don't have an account, I would suggest to get an account. After doing that, click on selling. Once you do that, you're going to take it to your selling page. Now on that selling page, you're going to have something very important that I'm going to discuss in a second. But before we do that, let's sign in or continue with our Google email. Now Google is one of the simplest and easiest way to actually set up any account. Once you reach the seller hubs, you'll see on the top over here, you have your orders, your listing, your marketing, your stores, performances, payments, and research, as well as reports. We're going to click on research. Now once you click on research, you're going to be taken to the research products. Over here, we're going to search for phone cases. Now guys, we're going to check it in the last 1 year how much money this particular niche has made. The average selling price was $11. The average shipping was $4.90, and 91% gave free shipping. 1.5 million products have been sold. There's 38,000 sellers, and they've made sales worth of $17 million. Now, if you look at the graph, the interesting thing that you can see is that throughout the years, this product has been sold. Now, if you scroll down, what you're going to see is something absolutely amazing. This particular individual has made $273,000. This individual has made $92,000 in 1 year. 67,000, 50,000, 50,000, 54, 44, 46, 39, 28, 29, $34,000, guys. This is absolutely massive. So let's scroll up and check out this individual. Now, as you can clearly see, the price is $4.93 for this particular product that they're selling for. They've already sold 44,227 of these. So that is a massive profit that they're making. How can you make a profit? Head over to aliexpress.com. Once you head over to aliexpress.com, search for phone cases, because at the end of the day, you got to make sure that you get a phone case that is the cheapest so you can increase your profit margins. Just look at the price that they're being sold for. This is a product being sold for 99 cents. This is a product that is sold 34,000 times for 99 cents. And if you can easily get this product, you can put it on your eBay store, you can put it on your Shopify store and start selling this product. This product has been sold 48,000 times for 99 cents. If you scroll down, you can easily be able to see the products that have been sold. This product has been sold 19,000 times for 99 cents. This is the cheapest that you can get a product online from aliexpress.com, then easily put it onto your Shopify and put it onto your eBay stores and start selling it. These are dead cheap products. This product over here has been sold 62,919 times for 99 cents. You can easily sell this product for $5, $9, $99, or even $11. As we've seen, the average price is $11 over here. And you can get it for 99 cents and sell it for $11, making a massive amount of profit in the actual process. That is how simple, straightforward, easy it is. Because at the end of the day, you have an opportunity of a lifetime. Easily create a Shopify account, easily create an eBay store, and get your product off aliexpress.com and start selling this particular product. So let's scroll up and check out any of these products. If you click on this product, you're going to be taken to the next page. On this page, you're going to have a complete breakdown of the information of this particular product. As you can clearly see, 62,919 have been sold with 11,000 reviews. If you scroll down, you can clearly see it has a free shipping available, and you can easily get this product dead cheap and start selling it with the full pictures and information that's available for this particular product. You can ensure that this is going to be a quality product that your customers are going to absolutely love, and you're going to make a lot of money in the process. It's a simple, straightforward, step-by-step methodology. If you follow it, you can also create a passive income for yourself, break away from the 9 to 5, get the financial freedom that you always want. And if you got any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.